Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some incredible DIY secrets to illuminate your natural beauty. If you're looking to achieve that glowing, radiant skin without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. We'll share some simple yet powerful homemade beauty tips that use ingredients you probably already have at home. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest beauty secrets and skincare routines. Your feedback and comments really fuel us, so let us know your thoughts below. These DIY beauty tips are not just easy and affordable, but they also use natural ingredients that are gentle on your skin and hair. You'll see a noticeable difference in no time. I've personally tried these recipes and noticed significant improvements. They're simple to make, and the results are absolutely worth it. You don't need expensive products to look your best. I'd love to hear about your experiences with these DIY beauty secrets. Have you tried them before? How did they work for you? Share your stories in the comments below. Now let's illuminate your beauty with these amazing DIY secrets. We'll cover everything from glowing skin masks to nourishing hair treatments.
Ready? Let's get started!
Segment 1. Glowing Skin Mask. First up, let's create a simple yet effective glowing skin mask using just 3 ingredients: honey, lemon juice, and turmeric. Using a glowing skin mask is crucial for maintaining a healthy and radiant complexion. Our DIY mask, made with honey, lemon juice, and turmeric, offers multiple benefits. Incorporating this mask into your skincare routine will leave your skin feeling soft, glowing, and rejuvenated. Use it once or twice a week for the best results. Ingredients and benefits. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. Lemon juice brightens the skin by gently exfoliating and removing dead skin cells, while turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and preparation. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of turmeric in a bowl. Application. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Benefits. This mask will leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and glowing. Use it once or twice a week for the best results. Segment 2. Nourishing Hair Treatment. Next, let's move on to a nourishing hair treatment using coconut oil, aloe vera gel, and vitamin E oil. Using a nourishing hair treatment is essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. Our DIY treatment made with coconut oil, aloe vera gel, and vitamin E oil offers multiple benefits. Incorporating this treatment into your hair care routine will leave your hair feeling smooth, shiny, and healthy. Use it once a week to see the best results. Ingredients and benefits. Coconut oil moisturizes and strengthens hair. Aloe vera gel soothes the scalp and promotes growth. And vitamin E oil adds shine and repairs damage. Preparation. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and a few drops of vitamin E oil in a bowl. Application. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, massaging it in gently. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash it out with your regular shampoo. Benefits. This treatment will leave your hair feeling smooth, shiny, and healthy. Use it once a week for best results. Segment 3. Brightening Toner. Lastly, let's make a skin brightening toner using green tea, rose water, and lemon juice. Using a brightening toner is crucial for maintaining a healthy and radiant complexion. Our DIY toner, made with green tea, rose water, and lemon juice, offers multiple benefits. Green tea reduces inflammation and redness, rose water hydrates and balances the skin, while lemon juice brightens and exfoliates. Incorporating this toner into your routine will help to even out your skin tone, minimize pores, and leave your skin feeling refreshed and luminous. Try it daily to experience the amazing results for yourself. Ingredients and benefits. Green tea reduces inflammation and redness, rose water hydrates and balances the skin, and lemon juice brightens and exfoliates. Preparation. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of rose water and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Application. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and use it as a toner after cleansing your face. Spritz it on and let it absorb into your skin. Benefits. This toner will leave your skin feeling refreshed, hydrated, and brighter. Use it daily for best results. And there you have it, some simple yet effective DIY secrets to illuminate your natural beauty. We've covered a glowing skin mask, a nourishing hair treatment, and a brightening toner. Give these a try and let us know how they work for you. Your feedback and comments really fuel us, so please share your results and any other DIY tips you love. I'd love to hear about your experiences with these DIY beauty secrets. Have you tried them before? How did they work for you? Share your stories in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and DIY secrets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.